Hi.
That's a nice show.
Oh, thanks.
What's up?
Hi. Here's just the sample of the traffic jam after the fireworks, July 4th, 2019. Still worth it. I got the best weapon that anyone could have for a quick escape from the walking thousands of bicycles. Oh, wow. Mercedes with a throaty exhaust. I think that was an AMG. But had to stop and take a break getting up the hill. The smell of fireworks in the air. Darn, I was gonna mount put a phone mount on my bike for my trip down the hill to the fireworks, but I was late getting started. Very, very muggy day today. When I checked the humidity about a little bit after 9, I think it was 87% humidity, so, but it's well worth it coming to see the Stillwater fireworks. Anyway, let's see. I think I've caught my breath long enough to ride up the hill. Another half mile. I'm not parked too far from here. But Stillwater Police has someone's darn car alarm went off. The Stillwater Police have police directing traffic at downtown intersections. You have to pay close attention to them because and ignore the traffic lights downtown. You just follow what the cops say. So there's even smoke in the air. Hi. It's even smoke in the air from all the fireworks that's going off. I haven't heard this much fireworks from the street I live on in a long time. If you didn't know it was July 4th, you would have thought that we were getting bombed. Some kind of invasion or something. Let's see. Yeah. Anyway, this is North 2nd Street. A block south of me is there's a new parking garage behind a new hotel. In the next block to the right is the old folks high-rise 212 North 2nd Street. I'm sure there's people that live up on the upper floors that can get a really good view of the fireworks. It's a very, very diverse crowd comes to the fireworks. People come here from all over the Twin Cities. I'm sure there's plenty of people that come here from Wisconsin to see our fireworks. I heard an interview on the radio, and I think it was on WCCO 830, and this guy that has a company that does the fireworks shows. And the two biggest shows in the Twin Cities, he said one of them was Stillwater. I forget what the other one was, but anyway. Okay, time to go up the hill a little bit more. Might have to stop to catch my breath again once more. Thanks for watching. See ya.